Hi. I have a Gaggenau EB 984-985 to 611. I have a flashing key symbol on the display. I understand that this is for the locking of the door during self-cleaning, but we have not done that in at least a year. Currently, the oven door is not locked, the fan works as well as the other components on the control panel, except that it does not heat. I believe this is due to this flashing key. I've tried powering off a few times and once for 24+ hours. Flashing key still there. Any suggestions?
This usually happens during a cleaning cycle, as you have already stated. If the cleaning cycle has accidentally been activated but the lock is defective, then this light will flash to warn you that the door is not locked. The heating of the appliance will then also not take place.
Okay. What do you suggest to clear it? Hi. Not sure if you're still in this chat, but do you have any suggestions on troubleshooting?
You will need to call an engineer in to have a look at or replace the lock on the appliance, or the wiring to it. Are you absolutely sure that the child lock is not activated?
Have any advice on how to access remove open control panel to access lock?
I will attach the repair manual available for this product so that you can check this and other things.
Okay. Thanks. That helps. In your opinion, do you think it's one of those two locks that secure the door when closed?
Obviously, without actually being in front of a faulty appliance, I cannot say for certain. However, these are the first places I would be looking. Child lock wiring to lock PCB/module. Hopefully that manual should allow you a bit of a boost. Please take the time to rate my assistance using the stars provided. 5 stars is best, at the top of the page, as it is the only way I get credited for responding to you.
Okay. Thanks.
Please take the time to rate my assistance when you are ready. To do so, use the stars provided at the top of the page. 5 stars is best. This is the way I get credited for responding to your issue.
Hi George. Do you know where I can find parts for this unit? Apparently they're no longer made by the manufacturer.
Speak to Bosch. A lot of the Gaggenau stuff had their parts in it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.